Hello guys, what's up? My name is Prasenjit Kapse and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be going to share my today's interview. Today I given an interview to, which was of Ivy Lab. Ivy Lab is a club of a VNIT where you can do various projects related to programming and the robotics. So I had taken part in it in the first year. There is a selection process. In the first year you get a projects or some kind of assignments in the techno session. So you have to complete that, and after that procedure they select us for the interview round, and after that the our internship started in that club. Okay, so after doing the internship, to become a member of that club we have to again give a interview. So today was the interview of that. It was so, what I say, okay, it was nice. They asked questions related to our programming and what we have learned there. So truly speaking, I think it was not that good for me. Okay, so it not went good. Okay, I tried to answer the whatever the question they asked to me. Okay, so if you are really interested in the coding and robotics, you should enter in that club. Okay, so I'm truly interested in the programming and in robotics. Initially when I joined the VNIT, my main aim was to in the robotics itself. Okay, so robotics and the electric vehicle, I have a great attraction toward electric vehicle, so I started learning about it. I started researching on Tesla, when and which type of software they use for the development. Okay, so I like and love the Elon Musk so much. He's really a inspiration for every youth today on the world. Okay, so basically, I will give a brief intro about Ivy Labs for those who want to join the Ivy Lab or interested to come in the VNIT. If you are a VNITian, then and having interest in the programming and the robotics, then you must join this club. This is a very good club where you will get the all the peoples of the same minded, and you will develop very well. Okay, so begin with it. So basically Ivy Lab was um I don't know when it was started. Okay, so I didn't research it well. What I found, or what I experienced till now, I will share the things. So basically it was started in my first year. Okay, when I entered in my first year, I tried to join many clubs, but unfortunately I was not selected there. Okay, so there were many clubs like Halla Ball for the dramatics clubs, and Ashlesha for the astronomy, and this Ivy Lab for the programming and the robotics, and ACM for the coding. Okay, and like and many more. There were again few clubs. I don't remember them, but I will tell you I which clubs I have given interview. I given interview for the Ivy Labs. I given for the Halla Bowl, and for uh, one club was there. I don't remember it name. It was for the magazine. Okay, mag was also a club. I given it for video editing. Okay, unfortunately I didn't selected in all of them, and selected in Ivy Lab. Okay, so basically in the first year Ivy Lab started. They teaches us the programming, Python programming, and given some assignment Python programming and some electronics stuff. Sorry. So we completed that, and they give a project, some assignment was there, which we have to complete it in a given deadline. mm, there was a team. Okay, first we have to make a team. There was We make a team of 3 members. Okay, so and complete the project accordingly. Okay, so after completion of first project, there was again a second project, which was on the Fusion 360. We have to design a model of skate, and the other was a programming based question. Okay, so we have completed that, and finally we got selected in the list for the interview. So then all the shortlisted students were interviewed by the seniors of third year, fourth year, third year, and final year. Okay, so after giving the interviewer, I really so scared of this interview. Okay, first time I given my interview in the VNIT itself for this club only for Halla Bol. There they saw my expressions and the acting, and they totally rejected me. Okay, so you can see it, how my expressions and my acting is. And okay, sorry. Sorry. So after that, we got selected for the interview round, and we all 3 members were got selected. And okay, so after that, our internship begins. So it was about 2 months. Okay, after starting, they give some of the course on the OpenSea. There were a lot of project, and we have to select it, like a snake, a stylus snake, like doodle, and stereo recognition, and that number recognition, and there were lots many more. Okay, that drone one also. So among this I selected a stylus snake. Stylus snake is basically a project where you have to uh, 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 Stylus Snake. Okay, here I think all have played the old Nokia game of the snake. Okay, so the snake eats the fruit and grow in size. Okay, so Stylus Snake is basically the advanced version of that game. Here we have to found the direction of that snake by using stylus. So stylus is basically the any objects like that pen cap also, or anything. Okay, so it will detect its HSV value, and apart from that, we have to detect its direction. So left, up, down, left, right. Okay, so there were a lot of approaches every students have found. Okay, they divided the screen, and in the four rectangles, and as we move the stylus where this direction is decided. Okay, so direction decided, and the main was only detecting the direction. Okay, it was our second project, sorry. And first project was our stylus. Okay, stylus is basically the as we move our stylus, the it will be a drawing on the screen, as in online classes many teachers do like that. They writing on their pad with the stylus, and it appear on our screen. So here we don't have a pad, we have our pad in the air itself. Okay, so we draw in the air, and it will appear on our screen. Okay, and stylus snake is the advanced version of that. Here also we have to do stylus, and with the help of that, we have to detect the direction of the snake. So we completed that, and finally before 3 days, okay, from today, and they announced a meet on the Sunday, today, that is today. Okay, at 2 p.m. So I thought the meet was for a discussion of what we have to do further. Okay, so I was very much surprised that in that interview they decided to take interview first, and select the students as in every internship, we have they take us our interview. Okay, so I was not expected to on this stage. So okay, but that's okay. So we given the interview, and finally the result is still to come. Okay, so they After completing the interview, they gave us a form, Google form. It was there was very horrible questions. I didn't expect that. And the every answer were questions, where every answers were compulsory. So it was not based on the what we learned. It was general questions, but it was so much horrible. I don't expect that questions. um, and um, and I won't tell you. Okay, so it was Ivy Lab journey till now, and I hope it will be continue for till fourth year. Okay, so if anybody is interested to come, can follow this path which I told you. Okay, um, so that's it for today's. Thank you for watching this video.